A while ago, I built a small model rocket that could be launched from a PVC pipe, and it actually worked really well. Later, I found this really big piece of extra PVC pipe, and I realized that this piece of cardboard tubing fits in it really well. I started by designing and 3D printing a bunch of parts to make the rocket, including a nose cone, some centering rings, and a bunch of parts to make the fins. After that, I glued the centering rings and the fin mount to this thick wall motor tube. Then, I glued the lower section to the upper tube that we had earlier. And now, I've finished painting and putting the fins on the rocket. The original idea was to basically just use some rubber bands or springs so that the fins would pop out once it leaves the tube. However, that would push against the sides of the tube, create a lot of friction, and possibly cause something to go wrong. And so, we're just going to be relying on G-force to make sure the fins fall into place. So now that I've finished building the rocket, I added this porthole in the PVC pipe where I can hook up the wires. And I also attached this paracord to the top of the tube so that I can anchor it down to the ground. And here we are. We got the tube hooked up to the wires. The wires are hooked up to the launch controller. The rocket is in the tube. The tube's all anchored down with stakes. So, yeah. We're going to see what happens. We're going to cross our fingers that it doesn't land in the trees, because that's probably what's going to happen. We're going to cross our fingers that the fins come open and it doesn't go unstable. So, yeah. The next thing to do is to just launch the rocket. And we're launching the rocket in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ignition.
Careful. There we go.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
2, 1, ignition.
So, it actually worked really well. At the very last second, the fins kind of came closed again, causing the rocket to go unstable for about a half second at the end of the burn time, which was actually perfect, so it didn't go that high. And the delay time was kind of long, which also made it come down without landing in the trees. So, anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe. Bye.